That's for, oh, that's for the handle of the,
the
keel. Turn it around.
No, it's not pretty. I'll cover it.
Very nice.
Routed it out. That works. Yeah, it'll work. Nobody's gonna see that.
Good. We bought an incredibly overpriced plug so that we can have power here and plug in our fan. Let's see if our power source works. Can I turn it on now? Nope.
Nothing, huh?
Maybe there's a switch in the white box. There it is. Ah. Oh, that feels fantastic. Now we can just put the bimini up and we'll be in heaven. So we got a new fuse at the store, and this is the old battery, and we are doing what to it?
I'm changing out this this thing, this cover. See, this is not waterproof. This one's waterproof, see?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna change those out.
You think that's why the solar panel is not charging?
No, I think the reason the solar panel's not working is because of the thing is not connected.
But when you plugged it into the cigarette lighter at the Jeep, the light was red, so something's working on the solar panel, right?
No, because see, the thing came off.
Oh. So this is just temporary then, since the cable's not waterproof either?
Yeah, eventually I'm gonna replace all of this. That's 15, like 14, 15, see it?
Yeah,
Okay.
the solar panel is.
Solar panel is charging. This is working.
Okay.
Okay? We know this works. So that means this other connector that I had, this one should work. So, let me see that again.
21?
Quick, well, it's in the sun right now.
What's it? Oh, the solar panel.
Yeah. So, it's charging right now.
So why wasn't it charging our new battery?
Well, because of this. It wasn't connected.
Ah. So this whole time, the last 2-3 months that we've had it plugged in.
Probably was just so loose it came undone, so we'll take that back. This is the outlet that was here, the 12-volt outlet that was here.
Yeah.
I don't know if it works. All those cables that I just did, I was going to run them to the new battery.
Okay. Let's do that. I'll tell you once my phone vibrates. Did you change the fuse? Oh.
Accessory.
Okay, the light is on, but
Yeah, change the fuse.
my phone didn't vibrate. New starboard cover to go vertically in front of the handle of the tiller over here. Not the tiller, of the... I'm on Claudine, wake up. Winch?
Handle.
No.
Winch handle.
Winch handle for the keel. That's the word I couldn't think of. But the hole needs to be a little bit further. So I'm very nervous.
You see this? See how this is thicker right here? It's not going to cut through that. Okay, so that's, I know it's not going to cut through that, so that's why I'm doing like this.
Does it matter that you're going down lower, not in a straight line? That's weird that the wooden one, if you copied straight off of the original wooden one, you would think the circle would be the same.
I don't know what type of winch they had. It could have been a newer winch.
Oh, so that's how long it's... Oh, that's right. You were using the one from the boat from Atlanta, not the one that came with this boat.
Right.
Got it. All right, let's try that again. Just fish it out from over there.
Now, this needs to have that go down. Perfect.
Is it gonna stay, or are you gonna screw it in there?
I'll screw it in there.
This right here is heaven in a can. And no, I'm not being paid by them. I wish I was, but 49 subscribers isn't gonna cut it. I'm just being honest. This is literally heaven in a can.
Perfect. Now, I need to drill. So I need you to hold it on this end for now.
Right where I am right now? I just saw, oh, there he is, there he is, there he is. Look at that. Look at the dolphins. Dang it, this boat's in the way. There he is. Oh, how cool. Oh my God, so beautiful. There they are. What's our next project? So you want the jib sheet and the main sheet to run back to the back so we don't have to go up there and pull on them. It'll barely, I mean, it'll reach the cockpit like where you are sitting, but it's fine. Yeah, that one's considerably shorter. It'll reach me, and that's what's important. We could always tie another, look, we could tie a knot at this end and make it longer so we don't have to take.
Add to it.
That's what I just said.
Like whipping.
Well, I mean, I'm just saying, instead of redoing the whole line and buying a longer one, just add to this.
You've got a 1, 2, 3, and you've got another one there. See all those lines?
So you're wanting to run all the lines back here, but it still doesn't resolve our question about, even if we have a line to pull on to bring the jib back down, he has it rolled like this, we wouldn't. So when we bring our jib down, it's gonna fly overboard and hit the salt water. So it would be something that we would have to walk up to the front of the boat to fish it out of the water anyway. And then we'd have to hose it off every time that we come back. So that's something we need to research. We are now changing the hardware on the front hatch. Let's see, you switched out the hardware, but this isn't new hardware, right? This is hardware that came from the boat in Atlanta that you just polished to make it look. Did I not turn on the video for any of this that we just talked about?
I need to run it.
It's just as well because you were throwing out the F-bomb.
I need to get the lines.
So what I was saying before when I thought I was videotaping the whole time is that all this hardware is not new. It looks new. He just swapped it out. It's from the boat parts that we bought used in Atlanta a couple of months ago or weeks ago. And he put them through our little polishing machine and they look brand new. Well, that electrical wire is probably going to be kind of in the way too, where you want to put all the lines to run aft.
No, I'm gonna have pulleys.
Yeah, but is that electrical wire in the way of where you want to install the pulleys?
Probably not. No, because I run the pulleys out here.
Are you done with your projects now?
Yeah.
I guess we're not going out then, or what? Well, I thought that was the whole point of coming out, was to take the boat out. It's our first time putting on the rudder with this new system we have going on here, so it's a little cumbersome. I'm not sure what to do with this rope. But it's safe in there now, right? It's clicked in?
Yeah.
So I can let go? You know, and looking at all the old video for the one that I'm making for right now, you got the rope stuck in there. David told us that we should leave the rudder and the tiller in the water. Since you painted it, it should be in the water. And we do have the tiller cover we bought.
I know.
So we really don't need to pull it out every time. Especially like right now, you know, if we're coming on a daily basis. Maybe when we're deployed we can take it out, but an inch or so, would you say?
Yeah, pretty good mount.
So that before we screw it, should we test and see if the gray bottom one's gonna come in and out?
I'm just gonna put it in there real quick to see what we do.
So we don't really need a screw on the other side, huh?
I do want to know.
Oh yeah, the rattling's gonna drive you nuts.
Yeah.
It's not working.
It is. I just need to drill it out just a little.
Oof, if I was living in my boat and I heard that noise all day, I might not be super thrilled.
I think that's part of living, called a liveaboard.
Liveaboard, dealing with people that always have something broken on their boat and it has to be fixed.
I think so.
And so the noise comes with the territory. We got an awesome tour yesterday from the people that are in this boat.
Yeah.
Trade-winds.com, and they are unfortunately not working right now because of COVID, and so they're staying up here for a couple of months, and they gave us a tour. It's a 58-footer, and it has, I want to say, 6 bedrooms. It's a owner's brand or whatever, not the, yeah, because it had the one side had like the master suite. Instead of having 3 rooms on one side, it had 2 rooms with a big bathroom in the, I mean big, big for a boat, bathroom in the middle. 2 bars, because apparently people that own catamarans drink a lot. So there's a bar when you first get on the boat on the back, on the stern. And then there's another one upstairs where the cockpit is. And then inside it has a full kitchen with a full-size refrigerator. And all the bedrooms have queen-size beds, full kitchen, I mean everything you might need. Oven, stove. Did it have another bar inside too, I think?
It had one up top.
I know, it had one up top and one up, that's what I'm saying. Boaters, I guess, drink a lot.
Everything's connected except the route GPS. So let's get that up.
Did you test this gray thing to see if it comes on and off easily? Because we got to turn on the batteries anyway.
I'm doing exactly what I'm about to do.
We've noticed getting in and out of the boat over here that we're getting little cracks right there, because this is the main point of entry to the boat, and the spider cracks seem to be getting worse. So we need to something there, something like probably like this flooring right here. Maybe put like a square piece right there. What's that?
Somebody had an article on the Catalina Facebook site. Same question. Somebody said go save them.
Somebody asked what to put there to not damage the seat.
Yeah.
And somebody responded, just go sailing and shut up.
Yeah, go sailing and enjoy it.
Just go sailing and enjoy it, yeah. We're stressing too much and trying to make this boat as perfect as possible for it being 40 years old instead of actually being out there sailing, which we're gonna do today. That thing is really hard to open. You know why? Because it used to have a hole right there where you could stick your finger to open it.
Well, that plus we got foam on it now, and this is what's causing that foam not to want to stick right. Not enough.
Nope.
It needs to have more come off this side. Oh, this goes right in.
I think we should try and cut more this way and this way.
No, I like it right there.